What's going on, guys? This is Sikaros G. So you are at your house and you're opening the TV and you're seeing TV shows. Let's pretend that you're watching a reality show and then you see John, and under the John they write John is influencer and slash model, or Casey or Tiffany, she's influencer slash model, and you're like, who is that dude, bro? It's the first time that I'm seeing that dude. So you go to Instagram and you're searching for the page of that guy or girl, and you find the page and you see that this page have only like 7 or 10,000 followers. That for an influencer person is not that much. Never mind, you scrolling to see the pictures and you seeing some pretty nice pictures around the world, and you're like, okay, but where's the money come, man? Then you realize that they don't even have any post that have any product inside that post, because influencers get paid from product and services that they advertise on their page. If you're not seeing any product on their pages, is because they are not influencers. Let's check the website. You know, these pages usually have their own website with their own store. So you clicking his or her website, the website pop up and you see that they're selling like small fake bracelets. So he's making thousands of dollars to travel around the world only from that fake bracelet. Or maybe he has invested in the right time on bitcoins, or maybe he had a secret machine that make him money, you know, he make like and the machine get you money. Or maybe he's a magician, you know, he make like Zangra Kadambra and he appear money. Or maybe he's broke and he got like rich parents that they provide him with money to travel around the world. But no, this not seems like realistic. I don't think so. I think it might be the bracelets, bro. The bracelets make thousands. Let's be honest, you know, let's be real, bro. Why you just not telling the truth, bro? That you are broke, you know? And yeah, you've got an invitation from the TV program or a reality show, okay? But you can't say it, you know? They ask you probably, what you want to write under your name, like, what is your profession in real life? You can't say it, bro. I'm broke. You can't say it, you know? From the bottom of your heart. You can't say that I'm unemployed and I'm broke, because we know that you're broke, bro. I know it's hard, but it's just a hard time, you know. It will pass. It's not shame. You're unemployed and you're broke. So instead of going to TV shows and write under your name that you are influencer and model, and making sound this lifestyle that you're traveling and you're happy and you're a rich person, you can't just say the truth, bro, that you're broke and unemployed. Stop wasting your time with these reality shows and programs, you know. You're unemployed, you're broke. Go and find a job, bro, in Walmart, I don't know, a regular job. Stop pretending. Bro, McGregor have 43.7 million followers on Instagram. You have 7k or 10k or 15k, bro. You don't even have the 0.7, that is 700,000 followers, bro. Even that amount, I can't say that, okay, you're influencer with that amount of followers. But you have like 7,000 followers, bro. You make yourself to look like, you know what I want to say, bro. You look stupid, bro. You look stupid.